Jackson's chameleon, Trioceros jacksonii, also known commonly as Jackson's horned chameleon, the three-horned chameleon, and the Kikuyu three-horned chameleon, is a species of chameleon, a lizard in the family Chameleonidae. The species is native to East Africa, and introduced to Hawaii, Florida, and California. There are 3 recognized subspecies. The generic name, Trioceros, is derived from the Greek tri, meaning 3, and keras meaning horns. This is in reference to the 3 horns found on the heads of males. Jackson's chameleon is an arboreal lizard. It is native to woodlands and wet forests at altitudes of 5,250 to 8,010 feet in south-central Kenya and northern Tanzania. Jackson's chameleon is more widespread in Kenya, where it is even found in wooded areas of some Nairobi suburbs. Jackson's chameleon is sometimes called the three-horned chameleon because males possess 3 brown horns, one on the nose, the rostral horn, and one above each superior orbital ridge above the eyes, preocular horns, somewhat reminiscent of the ceratopsid dinosaur genus Triceratops. The females generally have no horns, or instead have traces of the rostral horn. The coloring is usually bright green, with some individual animals having traces of blue and yellow, but like all chameleons, it changes color quickly depending on mood, health, and temperature. Adult males reach a total length, including tail, of up to 15 inches and females up to 10 inches. It has a sawtooth-shaped dorsal ridge and no gular crest. It attains sexual maturity after 5 months. The lifespan is variable, with males generally living longer than females. The largest subspecies of Jackson's chameleon is T. j. xantholophus, which has been captively bred since the 1980s. Jackson's chameleon lives primarily on a diet of small insects. It also preys on centipedes, isopods, millipedes, spiders, lizards, small birds, and snails in their native habitat. T. jacksonii is less territorial than most species of chameleons. Males will generally assert dominance over each other through color displays and posturing in an attempt to secure mating rights, but usually not to the point of physical fights. Most chameleons are oviparous, but Jackson's chameleon and several other highland species in the genus Trioceros are ovoviviparous, giving birth to offspring soon after they are ready to hatch from their egg sac. 8 to 30 live young are born after a 5 to 6 month gestation. In captivity, Jackson's chameleon requires high humidity, and is in general very needy of colder temperatures during the night. Too much heat, or excessive humidity, can cause eye infections and upper respiratory infections in this species. In captivity, Jackson's chameleon can be expected to live between 5 and 10 years. Jackson's chameleon requires an array of different food options to remain healthy.